Welcome to Arduino series for beginners, and in this video we will see how to interface RTC module with Arduino and display the time on LCD module. Okay, so to build this project, what components we need? We need Arduino Uno, an RTC module, there should be battery in it, and then LCD with ITC module and breadboard, along with few jumper wires. To get the details about the project, you can visit this URL. And if you scroll down, you will see the project name and every single detail to build this project. The components you need, wiring connections, and if you scroll down, you will see Arduino code and the explanation of the code, like code breakdown. So everything is here. Go ahead and read the content, and now we will go ahead and wire the components and test. Now it's time to connect the wires. So we will connect 5 volt, which is coming from Arduino to breadboard, and ground, which is coming from Arduino to breadboard. And those power supply will be supplied to ITC module as well as to RTC module. We only have 2 pins on Arduino, which is A4 and A5. And we need to connect A4 and A5 to ITC module as well as to RTC module. That is the reason we have to take the connection from Arduino to breadboard and from breadboard to RTC module to both A4 and A5, like SDA and SCL. So see the connection detail which you see on on the screen, as well as you must see the blog for these wire details. So it looks complicated, but it is not. It's quite simple if you understand the connection detail. So this is something I was talking about. We have to give connection to SDA and SCL to breadboard, because the wire from Arduino is coming to breadboard, and from breadboard to LCD as well as to RTC. Now it's time to copy the code from the blog, my official blog, and paste into Arduino IDE. Before you upload the code, you need to install necessary libraries. So copy the name of the library from here and click on Tools, then click on Manage Libraries, paste here. So in case, if you see, I have already installed those libraries, so I do not have to install. In your case, if you have to install, go ahead and click on Install, and it will be installed within few seconds. Now I will select RTC lib, and this is also installed here. So things look good on my machine. I will go ahead and upload the code. And before I upload the code, so you see here, for each block of code there is a comment, and this is very important to understand what exactly code is doing. All right, so to gain more knowledge about how loop is working in this project and every single condition. So whatever time is displaying on your machine, maybe your laptop or desktop, the code will take that that time and display on LCD module. So let's see the result now. So if you see here, you can see the time along with date. So it's working fine.